Hello, my friends. Denmark is home to some of the world's most advanced pig farms, producing more than 32 million pigs a year, nearly 6 times the country's population. The country's largest farms raise up to 40,000 pigs per facility, optimizing efficiency through AI-driven monitoring and precision feeding systems. But what makes them stand out? According to Dr. Lars-Erik Larsen from the Technical University of Denmark, DTU, this farm raises more than X million pigs, integrating cutting-edge technology to optimize production and sustainability. Join us as we explore how Denmark's pig farming and processing factories are setting the global standard. Have you ever wondered how Denmark produces some of the best pork in the world? It all starts long before the processing factory, inside high-tech breeding facilities where innovation meets tradition. Here, sows are carefully selected for their superior genes, ensuring healthy piglets. During their gestation period of 112 to 120 days. They are provided with precise nutrition and care in temperature-controlled barns with automated feeding systems. As their due date approaches, they are moved to farrowing pens, where piglets are born in a hygienic, controlled environment. Within minutes, they instinctively start suckling, absorbing vital nutrients for rapid growth. After a few weeks, they are transferred to a specialized diet, preparing them for the next stage. From birth to sale, every step ensures top quality. Pork reaches the processing factory with unmatched standards. From the moment piglets are weaned, their growth is carefully managed to ensure optimal health and meat quality before reaching the processing factory. Danish farms provide a scientifically balanced diet, rich in cereals, proteins, and essential nutrients, tailored to each growth stage. With pigs consuming 2 to 8 liters of water daily, access to fresh, clean water is a priority. Farm workers conduct daily health checks and behavioral observations, ensuring pigs remain healthy and stress-free. As they grow, pigs transition to fattening barns, where they continue their diet and monitoring until they reach the ideal market weight, typically 5 to 6 months of age. Every step is designed to optimize growth, efficiency, and sustainability before the pigs are transported to the processing factory. Upon reaching the ideal market weight of 240 to 290 pounds at around 5 to 6 months of age, pigs are carefully transported in temperature-controlled vehicles designed to ensure their well-being and comfort in accordance with EU animal welfare regulations. At the processing facility, trained professionals oversee their movement, following strict handling protocols to maintain a calm environment. According to industry experts, the controlled atmosphere stunning system, using over 80% CO2, ensures a smooth transition, aligning with the highest ethical and quality standards. Inside the facility, highly automated systems monitored by skilled workers support precision processing. Advanced robotic cutting arms, capable of handling 15 pigs every 2 minutes, streamline operations, ensuring uniformity and efficiency. The meat is then carefully sorted into premium cuts, including loins, ribs, and hams, and placed in cold storage at -150 DGSC to maintain peak freshness. Every stage is carried out under strict hygiene and food safety regulations, ensuring a responsible and efficient journey from farm to table. Once processed, pork is carefully vacuum sealed, allowing it to stay fresh for up to a month and a half, ensuring optimal taste and quality. Each package is clearly labeled detailing its origin, certification, and nutritional content, providing consumers with full transparency. Denmark stands among the world's leading pork exporters, supplying nearly 2 million tons of pork each year. Major destinations include Germany, China, and Japan, where demand for high-quality meat continues to rise. In European markets, pork is generally priced between $2 and $3 per pound, while in Asian countries, where premium cuts are highly sought after, prices can reach $4 to $5 per pound. Beyond its economic impact, pork carries rich cultural significance. From slow-smoked barbecue in the United States to traditional dumplings in China and aged Iberian ham in Spain, Danish pork plays a vital role in global cuisine, bringing people together through its versatility and rich flavors. With global pork consumption surpassing 110 million tons annually, Denmark is at the forefront of sustainable farming. The country aims to cut agricultural emissions by 70% by 2030 through precision feeding, reducing feed waste by 20%, and AI-driven health monitoring, lowering disease-related losses by nearly 30%. Processing factory biogas systems convert pig waste into renewable energy, powering thousands of homes and reducing environmental impact. Meanwhile, the industry is advancing lab-grown pork, which could use 90% less land and over 80% less water than traditional farming. Will lab-grown pork replace conventional farming? Share your thoughts in the comments. For more insights into how processing factories shape the future of food, like, share, and subscribe. Germany's pig industry is powered by cutting-edge technology, from advanced farming techniques to highly efficient processing factory. These facilities play a crucial role in transforming millions of pigs into high-quality meat, while ensuring strict hygiene, efficiency, and sustainability. Automated systems handle everything from slaughtering to packaging, reducing labor costs and improving precision. AI-driven quality control and blockchain-based traceability ensure that German pork meets the highest safety standards. Compared to other major pork producers like the US and China, Germany's processing factory emphasized sustainability, utilizing renewable energy and waste reduction methods. By integrating robotics and smart monitoring, these factories not only boost productivity, but also enhance animal welfare and environmental responsibility, making Germany a leader in modern meat production. Germany's modern pig farming systems integrate cutting-edge technology to enhance efficiency and sustainability. Large-scale pig houses are equipped with automated feeding systems, which can cost between $5,000 and $20,000 per unit, depending on size and complexity. Climate-controlled ventilation systems, crucial for pig welfare, range from $3,000 to $15,000 per setup. Precision farming tools, including AI-driven health monitoring, significantly reduce disease outbreaks, decreasing antibiotic use. Additionally, manure recycling for biogas production helps cut waste management costs while providing renewable energy. These innovations ensure high-quality pork production ultimately supplying processing factory that handle millions of pigs annually. Veterinary medicine plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of pigs on German farms while ensuring food safety in processing factory. Germany has implemented a strict antimicrobial minimization strategy under its Drug Act, which includes a benchmarking system to track antibiotic usage across farms. This system helps identify excessive use and encourages reduction where possible. Additionally, the German government enforces strict legal regulations and risk-based monitoring to prevent antimicrobial resistance. To reduce reliance on antibiotics, many farms have adopted advanced disease monitoring, improved biosecurity, and vaccination programs. These measures ensure that only healthy pigs enter the processing factory, enhancing both efficiency and meat quality. Germany's high-tech pork processing facilities are setting new standards in efficiency, automation, and food safety. Equipped with cutting-edge robotics such as the KR Agilis HM and KR Delta HM, these factories can process up to 1,000 pigs per hour while maintaining consistent quality. AI-driven 3D imaging ensures precision cutting, while automated packaging and palletizing reduce labor costs and increase speed. These advancements address labor shortages and rising production costs while ensuring compliance with strict EU food safety regulations. Additionally, companies like Marel are integrating software solutions for inventory management, yield control, and traceability, enhancing operational transparency. By leveraging automation, Germany strengthens its position as one of Europe's largest pork exporters, delivering high-quality products efficiently to global markets. Germany's pig farming industry is going through big changes, facing both challenges and exciting innovations. With fewer workers available, many farms are turning to robots and AI to handle feeding, health monitoring, and overall farm management. This technology helps keep operations smooth and pigs healthy. At the same time, farmers are working hard to be more eco-friendly. By using renewable energy and converting pig waste into biogas, they've already managed to cut carbon emissions by 20%. There's also a push for sustainable feed options like insect protein and algae to reduce environmental impact. Meanwhile, consumer preferences are shifting. People want antibiotic-free and organic pork, while plant-based and lab-grown meats are on the rise. This means that both farms and processing factories must adapt quickly. What do you think? Should the industry focus more on sustainability or efficiency? Let us know in the comments. In the quiet, scenic hills of Japan's Hyogo Prefecture, Kobe beef farms operate like no other, blending tradition with precision to produce one of the world's most coveted meats. Unlike the vast, bustling food factories found elsewhere, these farms focus on small-scale, artisanal care. Fewer than 3,000 Tajima Jute cattle, the breed behind true Kobe beef, are raised here each year. Each cow is treated with utmost care, living in serene, stress-free environments and fed a diet of high-quality grain and grass that reflects Japan's deep-rooted respect for nature. While other beef farms may prioritize quantity, Kobe farmers meticulously nurture each animal, ensuring the meat's signature marbling and unmatched flavor. It's this dedication to craftsmanship that makes Kobe beef command prices up to 10 times higher than regular cuts, turning a simple meal into a true luxury. In Japan, the care of Wagyu calves begins with a strong emphasis on nurturing them with their mother's milk, which plays a crucial role in their early development. Typically, these calves remain with their mothers for about 8 to 10 months, receiving not only the essential nutrients from the milk but also the warmth of maternal bonding. During the cold winter months, farmers take extra precautions to keep the calves warm, often providing insulated bedding and shelter to protect them from harsh weather conditions. This careful management ensures that the calves grow healthy and strong, developing the vital intramuscular fat, or marbling, that Wagyu beef is renowned for. By focusing on creating a warm, nurturing environment, Japanese farmers help the calves thrive, laying the foundation for the exceptional tenderness and flavor that define this luxurious meat. Wagyu cattle are often auctioned rather than supplied directly due to their premium status and the intense competition among buyers willing to pay top prices for quality genetics. Auctions provide a transparent marketplace where farmers can showcase their cattle's unique qualities and buyers can bid based on pedigree and expected meat quality. Typically held in specialized auction houses, such as the Kobe Beef Auction House in Hyogo Prefecture, these events draw attention from both domestic and international buyers. For instance, the annual auction in November has seen Wagyu cattle fetching prices that can exceed $100,000, with some exceptional animals reaching over $200,000. The auction process begins at the farm, where breeders prepare their cattle, providing detailed health records and lineage information. On auction day, cattle are presented and evaluated by experts, and bidding typically starts in the morning, culminating in sales by midday. This competitive environment ensures that only the finest Wagyu genetics are sold, enhancing their prestigious reputation. The journey of Wagyu cattle to the food factory reflects the meticulous care that goes into breeding and raising, especially in the context of the unique Wagyu bullfighting tradition. Before being transported, the cattle are carefully selected based on strict criteria such as age, weight, and marbling score, with only those scoring a 4 or higher eligible for harvest. This careful selection ensures that only the highest quality meat reaches the consumer. Once selected, the cattle are loaded into spacious, well-ventilated transport vehicles designed to minimize stress during the journey. To ensure their comfort, transporters securely tie the cattle down and provide them with adequate sleeping space and water. The rigorous transport process and high standards of cattle selection also make Kobe beef much more expensive than other types of beef. The processing of Kobe beef in a food factory is a precise and highly regulated procedure that emphasizes quality and safety at every stage. Once the Wagyu cows arrive at the food factory, they are first assessed for quality by trained professionals who examine factors such as marbling and overall health. After this evaluation, the cows are humanely processed in a clean and sterile environment, where state-of-the-art technology ensures minimal stress and maximum efficiency. The carcasses are then chilled to enhance tenderness before being meticulously cut by skilled butchers who specialize in Kobe beef. Each cut is handled with care, preserving the intricate marbling that defines the meat's exceptional flavor. Nutritionally, Kobe beef stands out with approximately 30% more monounsaturated fats compared to other red meats, contributing to its buttery texture and rich taste. In contrast, traditional cuts of beef have higher levels of saturated fat, making Kobe beef a popular choice among health-conscious consumers looking for a flavorful yet premium option. Throughout the entire process in the food factory, strict hygiene protocols are followed, ensuring that the final product meets the highest standards of quality. The result is beautifully marbled beef that is not only a culinary delicacy, but also a testament to the dedication and craftsmanship that goes into its production. Thank you for watching until the end of today's video. If you are interested in learning information in the field of agriculture, please subscribe to the Trending Farm channel to discover interesting things about agriculture and the world with us. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos. When I first explored traditional black pig farming in China, I was amazed by the free-range method, where pigs roam freely through lush forests, foraging for acorns and herbs. This natural environment not only ensures better animal welfare but also leads to meat with a unique flavor and marbling. Studies show that pigs raised in such conditions produce pork that's more tender and flavorful, a stark contrast to factory-raised alternatives. In fact, these pigs are the foundation for China's thriving processing factory industry, where salted ham, a $9 billion annual market, is made. Free-range farming is sustainable, enriching the land while producing premium meat. Visiting black pig farms in China gave me a deeper understanding of the balance between tradition and modernity. In regions like Fujian, Sichuan, and Hunan, Farmers face challenges due to limited forest space, yet demand for black pigs continues to rise. With processing factories producing over 600 million pieces of salted ham annually, many farmers are turning to modern farming techniques like controlled breeding and optimized feeding. Despite these advances, farmers still incorporate traditional practices, allowing pigs to roam freely, ensuring the superior taste and quality that have made black pig meat a sought-after commodity in both local and international markets. The question is, when will farmers know that black pigs are ready to harvest? In China, black pigs are typically ready for harvest after 9 to 12 months, with farmers carefully selecting mature pigs based on their health, weight, and fat-to-muscle ratio. As farmers in regions like Fujian and Sichuan explained, the ideal pigs for premium cuts, such as those used in salted ham production, weigh around 100 kg. These pigs are then transported to modern processing factories, where over 600 million pieces of salted ham are produced annually. According to one farmer in Hunan, the transport process is crucial. We ensure the pigs are calm, using specially designed trucks to reduce stress. Upon arrival, humane handling practices are strictly followed, with stunning methods to prevent stress hormones from affecting meat quality. This careful process ensures the final product meets the high standards of the premium pork market. The ham production process at the processing factory begins with selecting high-quality ham hocks, especially from black pigs, prized for their marbled fat and tender meat. These cuts are chosen for their perfect balance of fat and meat, essential for the final flavor and texture. In the first salting stage, sea salt is applied to draw moisture out and preserve the meat, a process that lasts about a week. After rinsing, the hocks are resalted for 15 to 18 days to enhance the flavor. The hams are then aged in cold rooms for several weeks, allowing the flavors to mature. Quality is checked using a horsebone needle, and a certification mark is stamped to verify authenticity and quality at the factory. The demand for cured ham in China is substantial, with an annual consumption of over 600 million pieces, driving a booming market. Black pigs, particularly those from regions like Fujian, Sichuan, and Hunan, are preferred for premium meat production due to their marbled fat and tender texture, making them ideal for high-quality products like salted ham. Historically, black pork holds cultural significance in China, prized for its rich flavor and traditional preparation method. Black pig farming contributes significantly to the economy, providing jobs in rural areas and fueling the meat industry. With the growing global demand for premium pork, processing factories are essential to meet supply. Black pork has become a luxury product, with prices often reaching up to $9 billion annually, reflecting its superior quality and exclusivity. Every subscription to your channel helps Trending Farm grow every day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and continue watching our documentaries about processing factories.